tell us your name.
My name is Avanique.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am originally from New York, but I now live in Maryland.
Okay, so you're... Are you natural, relaxed, or transitioning?
I am natural. I kind of just transitioned from sister locks, but I am natural.
Oh, so you just combed out your sister locks?
Yes, I combed out my sister locks.
Okay, and how long did that process take?
That took me about 4 months.
Oh, that's it? Just 4 months. Okay, cool. Cool. What is your normal hair regimen now since things have changed?
So now I wash with cleansed every Saturday or Sunday, and then I either use Indulge or any other of the limited edition deep conditioners.
Do you prefer braid outs or twist outs right now?
I've never done a braid out before.
Okay, so you're new. Okay.
But yeah, I do twist outs on a regular.
Okay, so we are excited to have you here and we cannot wait to get started.
I'm excited too.
If this is your first time and you guys have never seen us before, you don't know who we are, we're going to go ahead and introduce ourselves. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Jonathan.
And we are both the owners of Miche Beauty. And again, this is Miche Monday. It's our weekly live hair demo where we show you guys how to get your healthiest hair using Miche products. So if you're struggling using the products, you're struggling with dry hair, we're going to help you guys and we're going to show you the steps in order to get your healthiest hair.
Hi, Avanique. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Your hair looks very nice
Well, thank you.
already.
You guys, she's our impromptu model for today. Her hair is nicely done already, but we are gonna redo it and do it over.
Are you natural, relaxed, or transitioning?
So I am natural. I just transitioned out of having locks, but I'm natural.
Oh wow, how recently did you transition?
I finished combing my locks out on Christmas.
Wow, so you are back new to the
Yes.
really flowing natural hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Real quick, just tell us one hair challenge that you have.
So now that my hair is actually out, actually having to do it.
Been a licensed cosmetologist for 12 years and specializing in natural healthy hair care for 8 years.
Okay, so where can they find you?
You can find me on Instagram at B_WARE_cosmetology and on Facebook B'_ware cosmetology. Well, her hair's pretty clean. So right now I'm just kind of raking the shampoo through just to make sure that we get all the product that was on off.
So right now she's going in, Tiffany just went in with Lavish, our leave-in conditioner, and she's applying it to Avanique's head. You know, if you're gonna apply a leave-in conditioner, apply it first. Don't do it as you're going section by section. Apply it to your whole head and let it just have a second so that it can absorb, especially if you are low porosity. Next, we're gonna go with our Sculpt Curl Defining Gel. This is new to our line. And we're going to apply that to her hair for a wash and go today. And you guys, this is a natural based gel, so the consistency is a little bit different from your typical gels that you'll see on the market. A tip that we will say though is you definitely want to emulsify it in your hand, just like Tiffany's doing here. And this will help to spread it on your hands evenly so that when you apply it on your hair, it's not clumping in one section. And you definitely also want to use water when you're doing this as you're applying the gel and making sure your hair is wet. Remember, you are using gel, so it's not like a cream that's going to necessarily keep your hair, you know, whatever your definition of, you know, softness is. It's not going to do the same thing. It's not doing that, because the point of a gel is to set your hair so that it lasts, so that you can rock your wash and go. So all I would say is make sure you are shampooing your hair properly. You can use our Lavish leave-in underneath of it as well. But you know, every 5 to 7 days, you probably want to redo your wash and go so that you can replenish that moisture